to shut down check-in. The first thing you'll do is hit F11 to exit full screen. You'll want to exit out of the Internet Explorer and also go ahead and open up Java and exit out. You'll then want to power off. Allow the computer to shut down. While it's shutting down, you can go ahead and turn off the printer. You'll see a red light appear. Once the computer shut off, you can close the lid. Now it's time to shut down and clean up from the rest of the first-time guest check-in desk. The first thing you can start with is the banner. Simply pull the banner up a little higher to release the pull. Allow it to then go inside, retract inside of the mechanism. Break down the bar. Roll up the rest of the banner in with the bar. Fold the legs in. And simply sit right on top of the check-in desk. You can then move the trash can back beside the janitor's closet. Now it's time to start taking up the extension cord. First, remove the covers. These two can be nicely placed on top of the desk. Then, unplug the orange extension cord. Go ahead and roll it up. This also can be set on top of the desk. The desk can then be rolled back into the storage room to be stored for the rest of the week. When placing the desk inside the room, go ahead and be sure to center it in the middle of the room, because the room's used throughout the rest of the week, so we'll want access to the rest of the room, just like this. Now it's time to go ahead and shut down the self-check-in kiosk. The first thing you'll want to do is exit out of the program, and then go ahead and power off these computers as well. While that's powering off, go ahead and be sure to turn off the printer. Go ahead and shut the lid to the laptop. Set the printer and the scanner on top of the computer. They can then be unplugged. And the handle serves as a nice protection for the cord. These then can be rolled in to the storage room. And the lower desk fits nicely underneath the first-time guest check-in desk, just like this.